Hi, I'm Kayla, and welcome back to this week's Better Health in 90. You may have walked around your local supermarket's produce section thinking, what if I started my own garden? Thinking of the hundreds of dollars that you could save on fresh food. Not only can gardening have financial benefits, but it also can have health benefits as well. Now let's dig into some of those benefits of gardening. Nature has a huge impact on your health. Research has shown outdoor gardening has stress-relieving effects on the body. Even therapeutic gardens, such as ones found in hospitals, have been shown to decrease stress, fear, anger, and sadness by simply observing nature. Gardening also helps to increase physical activity. Gardening is a form of exercise. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, light gardening and yard work for 30 minutes can burn around 165 calories, and heavy yard work like chopping wood and digging can burn around 220 calories for 30 minutes. Gardening can also give you opportunities for social interactions. Community gardening can be a great way to give back to your community while also meeting new people and getting to know your neighbors better. You can share ideas and expertise while also increasing your sense of belonging, which can help to lower your depression and anxiety. And last but not least, tending to a vegetable or fruit garden can help promote healthy and fresh produce that hasn't been treated with pesticides. You also save money by eating from your own garden rather than buying produce from the local grocery store. Gardening can be for everyone, no matter what your experience is. If any of the benefits of gardening appeal to you, check out the resources on our website to learn more about how you can get started. And that's this week's Better Health in 90. And remember, life's a garden. Dig it.